Morning, YouTube. Happy Saturday. Today is, I think, the 23rd, 24th day of doing these workouts, trying to get them in. And was doing intermittent fasting, but like I said yesterday, I'm thinking about adjusting, doing something different. But yeah, about to get a workout in. My wife's grandmom fell about a week ago. So she's doing all right now, but she's in a rehab facility. So it's about a 2 hour drive from where we're at now. So I'm gonna get a workout in, feed the kids, shower, and get on the road. But I want to get this workout in, check in with you guys. Hope you guys are doing great and staying safe in these crazy times. And yeah, get it in, chat with you guys a little later. All right, YouTube, got another one in. Let me tell you, if you got good knees and good ankles, don't take it for granted. I got just from 18 years in the military, running. Now I don't have most of the cartilage in my knees are shot. So now I'm kind of reduced on what I can do cardio-wise. For me, one of the best ways to keep my weight down over the years has been running. Didn't really enjoy it a lot of times, but especially really long distances. But it was effective, good workout. But now I pretty much got to do this guy, the air assault bike. Was doing burpees for a few days, but then my knees started hurting too bad. It's just the jumping. Jumping jacks aren't too bad, but on my knees, but I feel it more on my ankles. And so yeah. But anyway, guys, great workout. Hope you guys got one in today as well, and that you all are staying safe, accomplishing your dreams and your goals, at least working towards them. And cause I'm going here with the family, go see my wife's grandmom, see how she's doing, and which we're gonna have to see her through. Basically, be outside the building, look at her through her room window. She's gonna have to meet us at the window because of the COVID stuff. So that's crazy. Like I said in another video, I think maybe the first or the second video, I'm a nurse by trade. So since the COVID stuff started, it's gotten to where it is now, with so many things being closed down. I did one home health job where I was, going around seeing folks, but for the most part, I'm not used to that whole thing where you can't have family and friends coming in. So it's crazy times we're living in. But anyway, guys, you stay safe. Wear your mask, wash your hands, put hand sanitizer on, hug your family, your friends, tell them you love them. And I'll see you guys on tomorrow for the next workout and vlog. I guess that's what you call this, what I'm doing. But yeah, you guys stay safe. See you tomorrow.